Yes, me there again, my people. Big up. Respect and manners to each and everyone. I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show someone on stage performing. And in my point of view, the person said some words while the person was on stage that somewhat shocked or caused a certain reaction from persons in the audience. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? Now I'm going to present the video to you. I want you to tell me what you think about this video. Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
But here we go on now. You feel this song, you family? Yeah. Hey girl, me and your bitch, me and your freak, you know. Me love me and your front from back, you know. Look, fuck. See that? Sorry about that, my general. Sorry about that, my general. Yo, my general. Watch it now, watch it now, watch it now. Watch it now, 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 my general. Watch it now.
Man, well, him brave. You understand? Yeah, man, him brave, man. I mean, it take somewhat of bravery just to go up on stage and perform in front of people, in my point of view. But to perform certain things, him brave. You understand? The people tell me about that video there. Alright? So, on another topic now, viewers and subscribers. See? I'm going to present a video to you, and I want you to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this video. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am not able to confirm if everything that has been said in this video are true or even accurate, but I find some words that a person said in this video to be interesting. So I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video for yourself and tell me what you think. You understand me? Here it is. Observe.
See the guys. Nobody feel say. Through the man come on TikTok come contact say yo Rockstone in a fertilizer. I don't joke man I make. See there? Yeah, Rockstone them in a hit. But here we go on now. We done buy already, so what we are gonna do? We have to just continue use it. But we want the Minister of Agriculture, Fr0nt Charles Jr. We want him to do something about this guy, yo. This a totally slackness you buy 50 pound of fertilizer. And you party say you would get 25 pound and 25 pound out of it. A Rockstone, look there.
Yeah.
Look right through and through the fertilizer. See there? Be a Rockstone. Be a Rockstone, and I notice if a long time and I just know. Because I have one time going with my mole. And I find out say time now move as fast enough. And when you check it out, see the white Rockstone them they can't melt out, see there? Them a look brown one where you see a fertilizer. Them a look red one where you see a fertilizer. And the look
well on them people. I really and truly wonder.
And look purple color one where you see a fertilizer. See the fertilizer the inner hit. The most of the white one them look there. The most of the white one them look on them. At them are the Rockstone. Look there, see the stone itself, see there. You can as far as you can see there. Rockstone, see there. I hit a mark up in my shade, see there. As far as you can see. Totally Rockstone.
Well, take on the brown and do something.
Them you know a fertilizer, see there. Fertilizer, see it? It a robot, so that to show you say a fertilizer. The Rockstone can robot.
Well.
So we need the minister them to do something about this. Cause farmer cannot spend so much money and it a good on the chain. That means if farmer get robbed, we not make nothing. Hungry somebody make money at all times at the farm store. And who are distribute the goods to we. So I lose at all times. See there? Look there, every white way you look on my bucket. See there? A Rockstone, see there? God bless the fertilizer we in it. Everything where you see white, a Rockstone. You that things are fertilizer and a fertilizer, a Rockstone, see there? Living Rockstone, see there? Rockstone, see there? You can't robot, see there? Rockstone, see there? You cannot robot. So the message is totally slackness. Fr0nt Charles Jr., Minister of Agriculture. You need to do something for farmer. Because if I so, it will continue. Farmer, I go top farm, and problem I go at Jamaica. Me I tell you.
Well on them people, and a real, me have to think. It's not like I am a top scientist or a certified scientist. It's not like I am a certified farmer either. So me really and truly have to think when me look at that video. Viewers, subscribers, and a real, did you hear the words that the person said in that video? I'm gonna like you tell me what to think about what the person said in that video. You understand me? Set away my people. You see me? Please share this video. Please share this video, and hopefully that this video will reach the right eyes and ears, so that the words that the person has been said in this video might get some form of reply from a government official or so forth. You understand? Because I really and truly like to know more about this whole fertilizer thing, even about farming too as well, viewers and subscribers. You know, you can't do all for learn certain things. So alright, so let me know what to think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show the remains of a motor vehicle that caught on fire. Yes, I saw me have a look on it, you know. The video shows the remains of a motor vehicle that caught on fire, because in my point of view, that motor vehicle totally damaged. So I'm going to say the remains of the motor vehicle that, you know. The video also shows firefighters. Yes, the video that I'm about to present to you shows firefighters. The video also shows bushes caught on fire where the video be recorded, viewers and subscribers, and firefighters was doing their job. You understand me? So I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. Tell me what you think. For some reason, this video has been talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Reporting live from the Devil's Risk. This is what is happening. It's marksman vehicle. It's completely burnt out.
Well, the good alright, you know. Yeah, good alright. That's the greatest.
This man here, you seen the black, he was the lowest person in the vehicle. And this is what is happening. The fire is up. Going up on the cooling down operation is taking place here. Yeah, this is a single unit from the Linstead fire station. And that's a firefighter doing a cool down operation. Yes, they are trying to get up there to out the fire that is on the hill. Here, the firefighter is telling me that I can't be here. This is a danger zone. This can explode. Cool down operation is still going on. That's the fire up there.
You know, I mean, certain things can happen, you know. Jano.
Why not change the brand?
Yes, so this is what is happening. This is live from the Devil's Race Course.
My people, on a real, since the year start, I see quite a number of videos on social media that shows motor vehicles on fire or had caught on fire. You see me? And you know, I point it out to each and every one. It's good to have, you know, the fire extinguisher, you know, the small ones. Yeah, that can help. You know, up to you if you want to bring a big one. You understand me? But you know, I'm saying just have at least one. You know, just a little one might even help, because you might be surprised to know that just having somewhat of a fire extinguisher can save a life, can even save your life. You see me, I say, yeah, me not even too pre the motor vehicles and so forth. You can always buy back a motor vehicle, but you can't buy a life. You understand? Life comes first, alright? Yeah, my people, so tell me what you think about that situation, you know? Yeah, tell me what you think about that situation. Now, my people, I'm going to leave a video with you. Yes, I'm going to leave a video with you, and this video is going to show persons going inside of the back of a police service motor vehicle. Some people might say that they went on the back of a police service motor vehicle. The point is, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show law enforcers and police service motor vehicle and quite a number of persons. Viewers and subscribers, For some reason, this video is being talked about on social media. I'm not even sure, but for some reason, this video is being talked about on social media. And that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you. Hopefully, maybe you, my viewers and subscribers, can tell me why this video is being talked about on social media. Understand? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Just here might give me an understanding. Big up.